Acne is a common skin condition that happens when hair follicles under the skin become clogged. Sebum, oil that helps keep skin from drying out, and dead skin cells plug the pores, which leads to outbreaks of lesions, commonly called pimples or zits. For most people, though, acne goes away almost completely by the time they are out of their teens. The type of acne that many teens get is called acne vulgaris. Vulgaris means of the common type. It usually shows up on the face, neck, shoulders, upper back, and chest. The upside of having oily skin, acne-prone skin, is longer telomeres. And apart from protecting you from an early death, longer telomeres also slow down your aging process, making you look younger for longer. Today in this video, I will share how to treat acne at home with DIY toner. At first, you will need half cup of rose water and next add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil. Mix these ingredients and add in spray bottle. 4 to 5 times, spray this toner on face daily. It is a powerful beauty ingredient that helps manage acne issues. The several benefits of rose water include balancing the skin pH level, removing makeup, irritation relief, soothing irritation, and calming inflammation.